going. This is a Planner 5D versus Room Sketcher. Which one is the best option for you? So if you really want something that is free, this website, it says that free version isn't available on Planner 5D, but it is available on them both. And then if we look at some of the features, as you can see, the extra thing that you get in Planner 5D is even a pool design, which you do not get in Room Sketcher. And for architectural features, you do get 2D and 3D modeling when it comes to Planner 5D and all of these things that you can go ahead and look for. And now, if I really want to give you guys an overview, I would say Planner 5D is the better option. Planner 5D, it has Smart Scan, it has Smart Wizard. Alongside that, it also has an AI tool. So if you need AI to design your rooms or to make something better, in that case, Planner 5D is a no-brainer. So I would recommend you going with Planner 5D. But unless you have something, a feature that you really need, I wouldn't recommend Room Sketcher. But this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.